If your air ducts are making annoying banging or rattling noises, it's probably because of vibrations that haven't been handled right. So the easiest way to chill those noisy ducts is to put in vibration isolators. These little guys act like cushions between the ductwork and the building structure, stopping those frustrating shakes from turning into loud sounds. When you install them, make sure they fit tight and are placed where the ducts connect to walls or ceilings, because that's where most vibrations start. It helps to check that the ducts themselves are secure and not loose or rubbing against anything hard, which can make extra noise. Also, keep an eye on the type of material in your ducts. Metal ones vibrate more, so isolators are even more important there. If you're dealing with a big system, spreading out isolators evenly keeps vibrations from building up in one spot. And hey, don't forget to clean your ducts regularly because dust and debris can mess with airflow and cause more shaking. Lastly, if you're not sure how to do this right, calling a pro is always a smart move instead of guessing. One of the biggest issues people face with air duct vibration noise is skipping vibration isolators altogether, which just lets the noise keep bouncing around. Fix that by adding good quality isolators at all connection points. Another common mistake is using the wrong size or type of isolator. If it's too stiff or too soft, it won't work well. To avoid this, pick isolators designed specifically for your duct size and weight. A third problem is ignoring loose duct fittings or brackets that let ducts shake freely. Tightening or replacing these makes a huge difference in stopping noise and should be part of your vibration control plan. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find reliable local contractors who know exactly how to fix noisy air ducts and other home stuff. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people who really need their skills, so everyone wins.